Grand Rising, good people. Can't let the rain stop you from getting your shine on and getting your grind on. We out here in it. Let's go. Another show. Another day at the APP show. All right, let's go around and check the other side out. Said already getting it in, soaping down. OG. First one of the morning, y'all. Got 3 on the books. We gonna get it done. This is about the worst side here. Go around to the front, check it out. Got Gwinnett County's finest over here. What they doing? They went in that house somewhere. Hopefully everything is all right. Check out the front. Got a porch area here for a knockout. See how it turns out. Stay tuned. All right, everybody. All done. Took us just a tad bit longer than expected. The water pressure was suspect here. Homeowner coming out to check it out now. Done. Let's go out back. Check it out. Need to get that fence done, don't they? This is the back of the property. Nice and clean. All the way up. I don't know why these people don't want to do this red clay staining. Red clay stain and removal. They don't want to pay for it, man. Everything costs money nowadays, people. Ugh, we'll go back the other way. That's a mud pit.